Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel and to yet another morning yoga sequence. Let's practice together. We are standing with our feet parallel and we will start by loosening up the body. Let's just relax the body. So we are turning from the waist and tapping the shoulders with opposite hands. Breathing through the nostrils, gently turning from left to right and tapping the shoulders with opposite hands. Back to the center. And let's stand with our feet slightly apart. We are going to turn from the waist with our arms bent. Let's turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take it to the other side now. This particular move is going to warm up the spine. Getting ready for our practice and for the day. From here, we are going to come into a wide-legged standing position. Take a deep breath in. Take your arms up. As you exhale, bring your arms down, bend your knees. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, bend the knee. Your movement is guided by the breath. As you inhale, you stretch your arms up, straighten the legs. As you exhale, bend your knees. When you bend your knees, come as low as available. Back to the center. We are still in our wide-legged standing position with toes pointing out. Deep breath in, arms up, exhale, and we fold forward. Bring your hands on the mat or you come as low as available at this point. And we will start tapping our foot with opposite hand. Keep breathing through your nostrils and choose your pace. Maybe you have chosen to do it very swiftly, or maybe you want to feel energetic and you are doing it with a little speed. Completely your choice. Your morning yoga practice, your choice. Keep going, keep breathing, and let's relax. Let your neck relax absolutely. And from here, when you feel ready, keep your left hand low on the ground. Inhale and stretch your right arm up to the ceiling. You are gazing at your right fingertips. Come back, and this time the right hand stays low and the left arm goes up. This time you are gazing to your left fingertips. Your legs are still stretched out, thighs are engaged. Coming out of it, inhale and we rise all the way up. Exhale, arms down. Now point your right toes out, bend your right knee, stretch your arms out, arms are parallel to the floor, and we are in warrior pose 2, Virbhadrasana 2, but we are gazing forward right now. Now swiftly turn your gaze to your right fingertips. Staying strong in our warrior 2 and observing what changes within us as we change our gaze. Now look at your left fingertips. Breathing through the nostrils and observing what is happening. Inhale, take the right arm up. Exhale, bring it down and stretch the left. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bring it down and take the left up. One more. Inhale and rise. Now straighten your right leg. And let's get ready for Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Your thighs are engaged. The lower hand can be on the mat or it can be placed on your leg or your thigh. You are gazing at your fingertips reaching the ceiling. Now bring your left arm down on the ground. Turn your back foot forward, bending the right knee, and we will come into half moon pose by lifting the back foot. When you feel steady here, you lift your left arm off the ground and take it to the ceiling. Hold it there, keep breathing deep, and now bringing the left hand down. Maybe you want to stretch a bit here and then come into Uttanasana. Now coming back to the wide-legged stand one more time. Inhale, rise all the way up. We are doing good. Now let's do some squats before moving the stretch to the other side. Squat along. Nicely done. Okay, now pointing the left toes in the direction of the shorter side of the mat, bending the left knee, arms are parallel, warrior two, gaze forward. Breathing deep. Your legs are stretched and engaged, arms are parallel, and we will swiftly turn our gaze towards the left fingertips. Breathing through the pose. Now let's turn our head back towards the right fingertips. Nice. Now inhale, take the left arm up. Exhale, bring it down and take the right up. Breathe in deep, stretch the left arm up. Exhale, bring it down and take the right up. One more. Inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, bring it down and stretch the right arm up. Inhale, rise, and let's glide into Trikonasana. Make it yours. Your bottom hand can be on the floor or you can place it on your leg. The top arm is reaching to the ceiling and you are gazing to the ceiling. Breathing deep. Gently bringing the top arm down on the mat. So hands are on the mat, bending the left knee. And when you feel steady, lift your back leg up. Find your balance. And when you are ready, come into your half moon pose. Breathing deep here. Keep your core engaged. Gently coming out of it. Let's breathe here in Uttanasana for a few moments. And when you feel ready, inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, arms down. Nice. Yes, give yourself a pat on the back. We have been doing really good. From here, have your hands on your hips. Bend your right knee with the first two fingers of your right hand. Hold your right big toe. Maybe today you want to stay here, or if it's available, straighten your right leg. Engage your core. The power to hold this pose is coming from the core. A firm standing balance. And if it's available, stretch your right leg out to the right side. Firmly rooted, enjoying the standing balance and knowing that I have the right balance in my life. And gently guiding your leg to Vrikshasana. The right sole in contact with the inner left thigh. Hands can be in prayer position or your arms can reach out as the tall branches of the tree. Breathing deep. Let's come out of it. Take a deep breath in. Observe the difference between both the sides. The right is feeling so good. Let's take it to the left, bending the left knee with the first two fingers of the left hand, holding the left big toe, and straighten the left leg as much as it is available today. Staying firm, staying steady. If it's available, we are going to guide our left leg out to the left side. Nice. Let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Starting our day with focus and balance. Now let's come into Vrikshasana. Left sole in contact with the inner right thigh, hands in prayer position. Breathing through my nostrils, staying steady in my Vrikshasana. And gently coming out of it. Exhale, have your arms by your side. Close your eyes and take a few relaxing breaths here before you start your work day. I hope you enjoyed your practice and that you will take this focus and balance throughout the day. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Namaste.